Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a first-gen non-traditional incoming PA student. In my last video, I talked about different types of interviews for PA school, and so this one is going to be on the MMI, which stands for multiple mini interviews. Every program is going to do the MMI a little bit differently, but usually there's going to be about 6 to 8 stations, and each one of them is going to have a different question or a different scenario. And because there's so many of them, it really is kind of unpredictable, so it is a little bit more difficult to prepare for the MMI than other types of interviews. The basic format is that if you're in person, the prompt is going to be put on the door wherever you're interviewing at, and then you're going to have like maybe 1 to 2 minutes to read the prompt, think about your answer a little bit, and then walk into the room with the interviewer. They're going to tell you how many minutes they give you to actually answer the question. And usually that can range between like 4 to 6 minutes. If you're on Zoom, then basically you're going to be put into different breakout rooms with the interviewer, and they're going to put the prompt up on the screen. They're going to share their screen with you, and then the same thing, you're going to have a certain amount of time to look at the question. Depending on the interviewer, they might leave the question up for you so that you can reference it throughout, or they're going to take it down, and then you're just going to have to remember the question and answer it. Now again, with the MMI, it's very unpredictable, so you can get basic types of questions of like why PA or why this school, tell me a little bit about yourself, or a lot of times there will be like ethical scenarios that you'll have to read through and kind of answer. For one of my schools, I had to like read an email and then answer a question about the email. But I would say that most of the time there are ethical questions that are asked during the MMI. Usually there isn't a specific answer that they're looking for. They're trying to look at your problem solving skills. And so I'll make a part 2 about like kind of what these scenarios can look like and how to prepare for them.